Hello everybody, welcome. Today we'll be covering how to deal with thoughts during meditation, explained in under 5 minutes. You sit down to meditate and almost at once you're bombarded and overwhelmed by thoughts. What you have to do later, something someone said, worrying about this or that. You try to quiet them and they keep coming. By the time you open your eyes, you feel like it was a waste, you didn't achieve anything. No stillness, no peace, not a single moment of quiet. You get up thinking that you're no good at this, demoralized, and you consider giving up. Here's why it feels that way. You've been told the goal is a still, silent, empty mind. The moment the thoughts come, you think you failed. But that silent mind is not the practice. And it's not something a beginner should expect either. Judging your session by whether you reached it is like judging your first day in the gym by whether you walked out strong. You're measuring the wrong thing entirely. And this is creating doubt and frustration where it shouldn't exist. Meditation is not the stillness. Meditation is the returning. You rest your attention somewhere, the mind wanders off, you notice, and you bring it back. That bringing it back, that is the whole purpose. That is the repetition, that is the training. Every single time you catch yourself and return, you've just done meditation fully and correctly. The wandering is not the enemy. It can't be, because without it there is nothing to return from. The wandering is simply what sets up the return. So the mind that drifts 100 times has not failed. It's handed you 100 chances to do the one thing that trains it. 100 returns is not a poor session. It's a great one. And every single return is a victory in and of itself. Once you see this, the whole feeling of it changes. You stop dreading the thoughts. You stop waiting for some perfect quiet that never quite arrives. Instead, every time you notice and come back, there is a small quiet sense of, yes, I did it. Again and again. That is a genuine achievement, and it is yours every single time you sit, without exception. That is the joy of the process, and it was there all along, hidden inside the very thing you have been calling a failure. So, sit for 5 minutes. Don't count the thoughts or even worry about them. Notice the return and let each one feel like the small win that it is. This continual coming back, this quiet training of the mind, is not a beginner's trick that you eventually leave behind. That is the process of meditation. That is the process of training the mind. In the beginning, it is the whole art, but it's never quite explained properly. So just sit and enjoy coming back and take the hundreds of small wins you used to think was a failure and let that drive your next session. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment. Otherwise, email or visit our website. Take care. Bye-bye.